Hey guys, it's Kelly Fireman.
And Lovell Wilmore.
Okay, today we're gonna talk about the Wally robot that we built. Wally. And yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it took us a while to build this. It's because we combined the use of EV3 and NXT parts because we were a little bit short on them. The design of it, we actually used a mesh between the multi-bot and the robot arm. So we had a lot of difficulty putting the two things together.
Okay. So if you actually can notice, we built this by using EV3 and NXT parts. And the only reason for that is because we don't have enough EV3 parts. In terms of programming, we use EV3 programming. They just, what I use.
Yeah, so we use the EV3 programming. It's actually Bluetooth remote. So this basically controls the steering, the claw, and everything.
So right now, Lovell is trying to control it to go to wherever he wanted to go. And now he's picking up stuff. Imagine there's something there.
So we went through the system development lifecycle a few times because we had some broken parts and some of the programming was wrong.
The wire was weird. So we took it out and they have to replace it, test to make sure that it's the wire. And then we have the ports wrong as well.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it was a different, we went through a cycle. All right, well.
Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. So, what we're trying to do with this robot is to pick up stuff for us while we're doing, some other things.
It has a lot of real-world applications, and being able to go through hazardous areas where most people can't.
Yep. And think of such an rescue mission. Like when somebody died, and you can just control this robot to, find a person. So that's that.
Cool.
Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Lovell.
Kelly.
Okay, and so today we did our project with the servo motor and the Raspberry Pi. So our goal was just to make a kind of a remote controlled motor with the LEDs. So do you want to say anything?
Yeah, so we made a little slider on the window, and when we slide, the servo gonna turn accordingly, and the LED will turn on accordingly too. So if we slide all the way to the left, the blue LED is gonna blink, and this is gonna turn to the left. And if we slide to 50 or something like that into the middle, the green LED is gonna turn on, and this is gonna go straight forward like this. And anything that's greater than 70, the orange one is going to turn on, and this is going to turn to the right. So this is the slider that I'm talking about. So when it's about 0, the blue one is on, and
the motor is this angle.
The motor is that angle.
So
now he slides to about 57. The green one is on, and the angle is about now is this angle. Now he slides all the way to 100. Notice it's greater than 70, so it's orange, and now the angle of the servo is that.
So as far as building went, it was pretty easy. I mean, just anything with the Raspberry Pi wiring is kind of a difficult thing, but we didn't have too many problems with that.
Yep. In terms of programming, we use the Tkinter library, the RBI.GPL library, and we use, just set up the pins number and just voila.
Yeah. So as far as testing went, we made it test it a few times because the slider wasn't working for a while. So we tried a few things and finally got it. So I think we repeated the programming step the most. And that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoy our project.
Yeah, that's it. Should we talk about with this project? I think we can do something, you know, like when you wanna decorate your living room or your bedroom a bit. This is gonna be a perfect one to do. Or
So yeah, you could use this as like a you know, a slider with lights or something.
yeah.